Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun Father's Day DIY for you today. This is going to be taking pairs of socks and making a really cute bouquet. This is what it looks like. This could not be easier to do, and it was super cheap. Kids can help with this. I'm also really excited because this is going to be a collab with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Yara. Her channel is called Life to the Fullest. She's doing a Father's Day tutorial. She has sweetly volunteered to organize her husband's tools, and she's got a lot of inexpensive tool storage ideas. I'm going to put links below to her channel and to her video. You want to check her out. She does mommy lifestyle stuff. She's super great. But first I'm going to show you how I did this. I took 4 pairs of socks and I paid just a couple dollars per pair of socks, and then I separated the socks, and I'm going to make 1 flower out of each sock. So I'm going to get 8 flowers. You could get 6 pairs and do a dozen. That would be really cute, but 8 flowers worked perfect for what I'm doing. And all I'm going to use is one of these cardboard straws. We all have these around the house, don't we? And then I'm going to roll 1 sock around the straw. Super simple. Really, it couldn't be easier. Really quick. And then I'm going to attach it using tape. You could attach it a number of ways. I'm going for the simplest. You know that I like to keep it really quick and easy here, but you could get like ribbon or thread, twine would be cute, wouldn't it? And you could like tie it around the bottom, but the tape works perfect. And now I've got a little bud. Now I've got a little skinny bud because I used the 1 sock, but if you wanted a big fuller flower, you could use 2 of the socks, wrap it around, and you'd have a fatter flower. But this was perfect. How quick was that? And you just put it in a little vase. I think this looks really charming like this. You could upgrade it so many different ways. You could get some construction paper and add little leaves onto the straws. That would be really cute. If your husband isn't in need of dress socks, you could get athletic socks, gym socks. You could get ties. That would be really cool. My husband is always in need of black dress socks, so that's what I went with. And like I said, just a few dollars per pair. Get some inexpensive ones at Old Navy, or get super nice ones, whatever works for you. And get the kids involved in this. This is something that little hands can do really easily. I showed you how quick and easy it was to do. I put this in a vase because that's what I had easy access to, but you could get like a flower pot, put a bit of styrofoam in the pot, and then put the straws into it, and it would look like a little planted flower. Really cute. I went with monochromatic, but you could use different colors. This would look so cool with bright colors. And then just attach a little card, and there you go. It's a perfect gift. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to try this, what you're working on for Father's Day. I love getting ideas from you guys, and I definitely need some ideas now that my little one is getting a little older. She can help out with projects like this for Dad. Let me know how you guys are celebrating. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there watching, and don't forget, head on over to Yara's channel. She's got some super cool ideas for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, so I know to do more quick, easy DIYs like this, and hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I do really easy projects, lifestyle stuff. I've been doing Disney travel a bunch. More vlogs to come next week. I will see you guys next time. Bye.